Hi, my nuggets. This is a special video featuring my doggie. He's so cute. He's so cute. Don't you like? His name is Noah. He's an awesome dog. He's the best dog in the world. Now I'm going to show you his tricks. Noah, sit. Sit. Okay, Noah. No, look at me. No, I don't want you to lay, Noah. But that's good too. Noah, look at me. Nice. No. Stay. Paw. Noah. You good boy. You also give me attention. You know you want your treat? Stay. Sit. Stay. Stay, boy. No. Sit. Sit. Noah. Sit. Want your treat? Good boy. You're so cute. He's a good boy. This is a special video because, I said it already, but it's special. It's a really special video because you guys get to see my dog, Noah. He's awesome. Best dog in the world. 10 out of 10 dog. Totally would recommend for someone else. Wait, no, don't recommend my dog for someone else. Recommend another dog that's like Noah. I want 1,000 of Noah just running around. He's such a cute little puppy. He's a well-trained dog too. Really well-trained. I've had him since he was a puppy. He's like 4 human years old. And in dog years, he's like 20, 21. He's a grown-up. He's a big boy. That's all really. And stuff. Oh, in soccer, if you can't tell by my room, girl clothes, flower crown, calendar over there that has flowers, mask that's a panda, I'm a freaking girl.